Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2016 Infiniti Q50. 16 Infiniti Q50. This car here we have the problem of interior light is not working. Okay, the remote doesn't work. Okay, the remote doesn't work, the proximity doesn't work. And also what we notice is if you try to start it, you see right here, now car start. But before, there is no proximity, like no matter what, you have to push the key here to start. And also the interior light, they don't work. Finally, we come to the conclusion that the body control module, the BCM, is no good. You see that BCM there was no good, so we took it out. This is the air flow meter sensor, the cabin filter. I don't know if it be replaced or not, but you remember when I start, I always emphasize to the people to change their cabin filter. No matter what you clean the car from outside, please change the cabin filter when you get a chance, so that a healthy air can come to you while you're driving a car. It looks like the transmission computer also, it looks like it's located here, or this another module, but that is the computer. And if it's go bad, you can put a used one, but be sure that to program it. And when you program it, you may need to have a new key. If you don't have a new key, it will not work, or you have to unlock the key that you have it. Nissan Infiniti, it could be the same. I'm not sure that if this car have proximity or not, but this one work. We're gonna change, we're gonna see if we can get another one, but right now everything look good. Tire pressure flat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is the location of the module, and that is the one that doesn't work. Cabin air filter have to be replaced. Until you in another, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.